So it's the end of the day. Still trying to get into the mix and the mode on what kind of vlog style I like, especially while being stuck in the house, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm bored as hell. I do have a topic that I want to talk about in the next video, because I was just like, I want to talk about how it's just, honestly, this, you would think staying in the house all day every day would be easy, but no, it's not easy. And I feel like my creative genes have been all sucked out from me just not really being able to leave and just go to the gym and relax and stuff. It really has me in a bind. Like, I really feel like I don't feel like I'm focused. But I'm gonna leave that topic for a whole other video. The cake that I made today, I really hope it comes out great. Trying this new recipe that I got from Pinterest. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow, including my hair. I have to bring her to the vet, go to the supermarket, and that's pretty much all where I'm allowed to go. I heard they're supposed to be getting more strict on my county starting tomorrow or starting Monday. I don't even know which day it is. So I'm gonna go watch some Netflix, finish this cake. She's way too smart for this. She knows I'm trying to bribe her so she won't come. And just for running, you're not getting your treat. Ooh, don't go next to that. Coronavirus. Hi, sweetie pie. I'm right here. Hey. Your mama's right here. I'm so mad. What? I'm so mad I forgot my mask in my car. Shh. Well, I forgot my mask at home. So I guess I just can't breathe. The yellow goes to me. Once you hold her, let me see.
Just because it's Sunday.
Wait, hold on. This is because it's Sunday love, guys. If you watch her vlog, she's always eating ramen.
How much was she last time? 6.4. I was showing in 2 ounces.
What's in the powder shot? It's like a mixture of wheatgrass and ginger, pretty much. Actually kind of good. I feel awake already. I didn't have coffee today either. All of those. I bought 5. Each one is, no, I bought 4. Each one is $2.
Tea is for 10.
Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. It's a very short one. I look like Aunt Jemima right now. I am stripped down into regular clothes, my bonnet, my robe. I woke up pretty early today, around like 5:30. So yeah, I have a little headache. There's so much pollen outside. It's hot. It's hot as hell. So I'm just a mess right now. So yeah, I needed like a good like 3-4 hour nap. I'm editing the rest of the vlog right now. I should have it posted today. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.